Hello my friends, happy All Eyes on Friday. Today's look is all about focusing on enhancing that liner look, making it bold and giving it a nice ombre look. So I'm going to be using a little bit of different tools. I'm using the blend and tap brush to put on my main color of Sabrina. This is a staple in my Maskcara magnetic kit. And I'm putting on a base of Mama, which is a beautiful light matte pink color. So Maskcara uses all magnetic tins to make your own customized kit. So you see that is my kit right there. So now I'm taking Kin, I'm doing a triangle on the side of my eye, and then I'm drawing a line where that eyeliner would be. You can see that I'm following that line of where the eyeliner will be. So almost like making a slope. Now I'm taking the blend and tap brush, and I am going into the crease of my eye and going up out of that hood to just give me a nice warm dimension right there on the top of my eye. Now I'm going in with Black Friday. This is Maskcara's eyeliner and it goes on like velvet. Lining the top of it with Kin, and then on top of Kin, I'm putting some more Mama. Going with Mama around the corner of my eye, down halfway across my eye, and then I'm going in with Kin on the outside of my eye, just to ombre that out. And as you can see right there, by layering those three colors with the Black Friday, then the Kin, then the Mama, it gives this really cool ombre look that makes your eyeliner really pop. But I'm only going halfway into my eye because I have hooded eyes and I want the inside of my eye to be super bright. So that's why I'm only keeping the thicker of the eyeliner on the outside. And there you go. If you need a color match to Maskcara, if you want these colors, you can hop it down below. Make sure you like and comment and subscribe if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.